I have a 2014 Chevy Camaro here, 3.6. I'm replacing the shifter lever. Right now the customer having a problem with the key, the ignition. Sometimes, you know, they trying to take the key out, and sometimes it gets stuck, like it gets jammed in here, and they can't remove it. So what I did is change out the shifter. You know, it only happens when you put in drive and you put it back in park, and the key would get stuck. Can't remove it. Sometimes you can, but sometimes you can't. So first thing I replaced was the shifter lever. Now this is my old one. I already took out the old one. I have the new one installed already. But I'm gonna show you. To get the chip knob off, so this is how it sits. You're gonna have to pry this little cover out right here. This little cover, pry it out, and there's a 15 Torx bolt that's holding onto it. Once you get that out, you'll be able to remove the shift knob. For the cover, the tray cover on top, it's all clipped. All you have to do is just use a flat head right here, all the clips all around, and there's a one connector in the front right here. Now after the tray, you're gonna get to this cover right here. There's 4 bolts holding it, right? And you just kind of, to get it out, you're gonna have to press this on the side right here. Press this little piece right here, push it out a little bit so it can pop up. On both sides, there's one on this side, one on this side. There's one connector connected to the shifter, and there's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's mounted under the body frame, so you have to kind of jack the car up and get it from the bottom. I'm going to show you from the bottom angle. The shifter, the 4 bolts, is right above the dry shaft. So you can see 1 bolt, 2 bolts, there's 3 and 4 on the other side. Now this one is a 13mm bolt. This is for the park, reverse, neutral, and your drive. So when you remove it, you're gonna push this bar towards the front of the engine, but remember, when you push it, it's gonna make a click, so that tells you what position it's in. So once you get it out, you put it back the same way, but you pull down. If you move up 2 clicks, you're gonna pull down 2 clicks. So you should be at the right position again. So once you get the bar in, tighten down this 13mm bolt. I bought this shifter OEM original from the dealer. Here's the part number. I got my new one in already. Reconnect the connector back. Now I'm gonna check to see if the car is in the right position. You know, so you're gonna check for park. This is park. Go back to reverse. The car is moving back. I'm on neutral. The car stays. Put on drive. Car go forward. Neutral again. I'm just checking to see if I'm in the right position. So I'm on reverse right now. Car going back, and put it back in park. So that should be park right there. And this little light bulb right here goes with the cover. It goes right here. Or this one right here. Now that I got all the tray and the cover back on the car, I'm gonna check it. You can see reverse, neutral, the car's not moving, drive, go forward, so I'm in the right position, and the key is a lot better. It's not getting stuck anymore. I tried it like 10 times and it doesn't get stuck anymore. So with the old shifter lever, 10 times it would happen like 5 times. But with the new shifter, doesn't matter how many times I turn it off and take the key out, it never gets stuck again. So So let's say you put the shifter in the wrong position. So let's say you put it in neutral and it's going forward. You're gonna have to readjust the little bar at the bottom, the bar that I showed you. It was a 13mm that's holding it. So it's gonna be like this. This is your shift knob. So every time you pull it back to reverse, it's gonna pull the bottom forward. So if you put it back in park, it's gonna pull the bar at the bottom backward. So you would have to adjust the bar, the little bar, for you to get it back in the right position. But that's it. So if you like my video, leave it a thumbs up. Ask me anything you want to ask me, comment down below, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.